A path that passes through each vertex of a graph exactly once is called a Hamiltonian path. If a Hamiltonian path begins and ends at the same vertex, and passes through all of the other vertices exactly once, then it is called a Hamiltonian circuit. So number 1 says, an X in the table indicates a direct train route between the corresponding cities. Create a graph that models the information in the table. Find a route that visits each city and returns to the starting city without visiting any city twice. We have 5 cities, so we have 5 vertices. A is connected to C and to E. B is connected to C and to D. C is connected to A, B, D, and E. And we've already connected it to A and B, so we just need to connect it to D and E. D is connected to B, C, and E, so we just need to add the DE connection. And E is connected to A, C, and D, but we've already drawn those edges. So there could be different Hamiltonian circuits. The one that I'm going to travel is A to C, then to B, then to D, then E, and then finally back to A.